Hi friends, this is Akhil Reddy from Akhil Reddy Technologies, Hyderabad. Today I will teach you how to work with Selenium using properties like ID, name, value, tag name, and class name and XPath. Okay, not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. Using that properties, we can identifying the web elements uniquely. Friends, in QTP we have one option, object repository. Object repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total object information. So whenever you are working with QTP, whenever you are keeping the record mode, all the objects, whenever you are working with any application, all the object information will be stored in object repository. Whenever you are clicking on run button, using that properties, QTP will identifying the object uniquely. But in Selenium, here is no object repository. So we will keep all the properties in one file. We will treat as a that file is object repository. Manually, we need to create the object repository. So how to create the property file and how to work with Selenium using these properties, I will teach you now. First of all, go to Eclipse. Just to right click on it, go to Project Explorer, right click, just to take new project. Yeah, select Java project, click on next, give the project name is Selenium, click on finish. So first of all, we need to install Selenium WebDriver programs. So how to install Selenium WebDriver programs, I will teach you. Right click on project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars. I have already Selenium WebDriver programs. Already have Selenium WebDriver programs. First to add two files, click on open and once again click on add external jars. Remaining files just add to Eclipse. This is Selenium WebDriver configuration. This is Selenium WebDriver configuration. Okay. After creating project, just go to SRC, take the new class and taking class name is property file. Property file. Class name is property file. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. Now write the script. Now write the script. Just if you want size, just you need to change the size also. Just go to Windows, Preferences, General, Appearance, Color and Fonts. Go to Java and click on Color and Fonts. Actually is 10. Just increase 16. Click on OK. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Yes, somewhat better. Yeah. First, if you want to work with the Selenium, compulsory we need to write only one statement, that is the Java statement. Interface name, reference name equal new class name. My interface is WebDriver. WebDriver is a interface. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. New Firefox driver. WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Right. Next, if you want to work with any application, just we need to write wd dot get wd dot get keep double colon just http colon gmail.com. So if you want to work with Gmail, just Here type Gmail. So import the statements. WebDriver. Whenever you are writing WebDriver, W, comma D should be caps. So change to WebDriver. Org OpenQA Selenium. Next, Firefox driver. F and D should be cap. Change to Firefox driver. Right, friends. Save it. Click click on run. Okay, it will open Gmail page. It will open Gmail page. It will open Gmail page. So today concept is not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Regularly we will take XPaths only. Some companies they are using property file also. So how to create property file? I will teach you now. How to create property file. First we will discuss how to work with XPath. After that we will shift to property file. So first, how to work with XPath? Simply wd dot find element by dot XPath, give the XPath. Oh, go and get it XPath. How to get the XPath? Observe carefully. Manually go to Mozilla Firefox. Type your Gmail. Already I have installed Firebug and Firepath. I have installed Firebug and Firepath. So using Firebug and Firepath, we can get the XPath of the web element. How to get the XPath? How to get the XPath? Observe carefully here. Yeah, just go to tools, web developer, Firebug, open Firebug. I want to take the username of email. So activate it and click on it. This is the username XPath. This is the username XPath. Copy and give here. Control V. Keep double colon. This is the edit box. We will use send keys. Send keys. I'm giving username is Suresh Dobari at gmail.com. No, no, no. I will give my ID. I will give my ID. Akil Reddy. Akil Reddy HYD. This is my mail ID. Akil Reddy HYD at gmail.com. If you have any doubts or any contact information, this is mine. If you have any doubts, you can raise the doubts in mail also. Yes, password. WD dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath. Okay, next button is next button. So we need to get the XPath of next button. This is the next button XPath. Copy and paste here. This is the button we will use. Click right. Next, after giving the username and after click on next button, another window will open, password window. So we need to get the password. So get the password XPath, copy and come here. WD dot find element by dot XPath, control V dot send keys. Send keys. Password is something like yeah. I'm giving password. Right. Next, sign in button. WD dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath. Sign in XPath. Go and get it. Yeah, sign in XPath. Copy and come here. Paste here. Oh, this is also button. We will use click. Oh, click. Enough. So, how to work with any web application using XPath? Okay, this is the XPath. Today concept is property file. Today concept is property file. Using XPath, we can work with any application. Still, some companies they are using properties also. So, if you want to take the property file, if you want to work with the property file, how to work with the property file? Today we will discuss. Okay, first we need to create the property file. How to create the property file? Right click on packaging, go to new, go to other, go to general, click on file, click on next. File name is I am giving Akki. File name is I am giving Akki. This is the property file. Click on finish. Okay, right. I created one property file. So go and get the property file path. Go and get the property file path. Go to properties, right click on property file and go to properties. We can get the property file path. We can get the property file path. Copy it. Click on OK. Come here and here write just two words only. If you want to implement property file, just we need to write properties p equal to new properties. Properties p equal to new properties. Properties p equal to new properties. Next, file input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. New file input stream. Just give the path of the property file. Just give the property path of the property file. Right. So, whenever you want to work with Selenium, if you want to import or export, we need to use double backslash. Here already we have single backslash. Compulsory we need to mention double backslash. This is very, very important, friends. You need to remember double backslash. If you want to import or export, we will use double backslash. And finally, keep colon. All right. Next, p dot load. P dot load FIS file input stream reference. Keep colon. All right. Just import the statements, properties, java.util, properties, java.util, file input stream. Just come down, very carefully select the file input stream, Java IO. All right. Change it to file input stream, Java IO. Enough. After writing the script, we can get the underline. That means we need to add the throws. Add throws, file not found exception, and still it is showing. Just add throws. Just click on IO exception. Great. Yeah, this is the property file. So next our work is we need to keep all the properties in one file. How to keep the properties and where we can get the properties? Observe carefully. Go to Gmail page. Go to Gmail page. Just go to Gmail page. Yeah, this is the Gmail page. Activate it and go to email. So we can get the property. Yes, these are the properties. Highlighted. Oh, this highlighted line is properties. Yes, ID. I want to use ID. Now I want to take ID property. So copy. Come to property file. Come to property file. Come to property file. Yes, username. Username property is username. Property is email. Right. And we need to get the next button property. Next NT. NEXT. Next equal to next password equal to next sign in. Right. Yes. And we need to get the next button property, ID property. Next button ID property is next only. Just copy, and paste here, and password property we want. Password properties, ID property I'm taking, password only, copy, control V. Right, next button. This is the next button. ID is sign in only. Copy and paste here. Right. This is the property file. All the properties we are keeping in one file. We will treat as a property file, and so save. Right. Using the properties, Selenium will identify the object uniquely. So I'm mentioning XPath, but just remove it and keep ID. And simply we can write here p dot get property. Just I'm giving un. I mentioned un in the property file. That's the reason I'm also here. I'm giving un. I'm using properties ID. So p dot get property. P dot get property. I'm giving next. Next. I gave next. So next ID p dot get property. P dot get property. Password pwd. Next sign in. P dot get property. Sign in. SIGNIN. Sign in. Just compare. This is the ID. This is the ID. Right. Just go to a key and compare. Sign in. Right. Sign in. Password. Next. UN. Oh, great. Yes. Save. Click on run. Save. Click on run. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Now I'm taking property is ID. Now I'm taking property is ID. Now I'm taking property is ID. So click on run button. Yes. 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 This is the property file. Not only using ID, we can take the other properties also. So just mention name. At a time we can take the all the properties. Name, and we can name. Right now ID property, name property both are same. In future it will be change. Maybe change. One second. I'm taking the different name, ID, name. So save, click on that. It will run. This is the property file concept, friends. Okay, if you want other files, other concepts, other topics, just subscribe me and follow me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye, friends. Bye.